gay dapat nga ramidon ti kailan tayo no makita dati checkpoint or upon approaching a checkpoint, Comelec checkpoints, automatic pagkagabi, i-dim the day headlights and then turn on cabin lights, tapos roll down the windows, no, at i-check the kakadwa tayo, first tayo checkpoint. And then to avoid what the other suspicion, then EJ Park, iti motorist, respeto na lang ti checkpoint murabi or aldaw, just slow down, no, at makita nga warning signs kasi damot ti before approaching a checkpoint, at warning signs nga pa-establish EJ nga ibagbaga na nga at that Comelec checkpoint or approaching a Comelec checkpoint. So the motorists are advised to slow down, avoid any other incidents or want of no orderly they conduct the checkpoints. So they advise the motorist Thailand just anusan na lang for the duration nga ma-check the vehicles tayo for the safety of everyone and a precaution for this upcoming elections. So may tantanak tayo between the checkpoints to preempt any criminal activities. So for the motorists, the patience na lang, understanding for this conduct of Comelec checkpoints, and just to observe or follow the yung bagate at sa inyong protocols.